Greetings, everyone. So we're going to start with the fifth experiment today. So this experiment today focuses on textual data visualization rather than moving away from raw data visualization. So this is a very high level insight like sentiment and hidden topics today. So this workflow uses Python's natural language processing libraries to clean the data before we start generating charts. So like this text processing, we use some libraries here. Word frequency analysis is what we gonna work frequency analysis and sentimental analysis and topic modelizing is what we are going to visualize today. So the dataset details here is this are all the data sets. So this is going to be the data set. So this is the data set. So we are going to tokenize the review text today. So tokenization, the script uses NLTK word tokenize to break sentences into individual words. So for example, four stars in a continuous thing becomes four comma stars. So that is the tokenized thing. So here, example. So four stars here. Okay. The four stars here becomes four stars. More space becomes more space. So this is the NLTK. So the word cloud and such for word frequency, we use word clouds. So frequent words like great, worth, Samsung, etc., providing an immediate appear larger. Sorry, providing an immediate visual summary of the product category. So and we're gonna con and then okay, so we're gonna hop into the programming here. So the import NLTK means okay. So here the import NLTK. So this imports natural language toolkit, which is the natural language processor in Python. So the primary library used for text processing. So from NLTK.tokenize, so which is used to split words, we use a word tokenize. So and then NLTK.download punkt. So this downloads the necessary data packages that helps the tokenizer recognize where words and sentences end. So and df.tokens is equal to this. This like it converts the summary to columns to strings and creates new columns called tokens, where each summary is represented as list of words. So review text here, it converts every word into review text to lowercase in lowercase. And NLTK. So here from NLTK.corpus imports stopwords. So this imports a list of filter words that don't carry meaningful words, such as the is at. So with the is at are stopwords. So this splits words that filters words. So stop was equals to set of stopwords dot words of English. So loads the standard English stopword list into memory. And these are all used to split words. And so this lambda x here, these lines. So this logic filters the text, keeping only words that are not in stopwords list, then joins them back into a clean sentence so that it is easy for us to visualize. And this uh, same does for this lambda column. Okay, so this word cloud line. So this word cloud line is what uses the word cloud library to create an image where the size of each word is determined by how frequently it appears. So and this is used to plot the figure for this. So the x the 10 comma 5. So 10 comma 5. And image show is like creating the big words and smaller words. And then show is used to show the plotted graph. So this will be the output for the above code. So here word is equal to word frequency. This is equal to counter words. This uses a Python counter tool to mathematically count the occurrences of each unique word. So the top words here, it is used to know the word frequencies of it. So this plotted bar of words, comma counts. So this plots the bar chart knowing showing the top 20 most frequent words. So for this, we are gonna hop into this. That's it. So this will be the output for the above code. Okay, so we're gonna hop into the sentiment and topic modeling. So in sentiment and topic modeling, this sentiment counts determines the counts of how many reviews are classified as positive, neutral, or negative. And this it plots the pie chart to visualize the proposition of each sentiment. So into the next thing. So this direct let allocation. So this line is the LDA model. It automatically groups words into three topics based on how often they appear together. So, for example, words like speed and fast are grouped into a performance topic. So this will be the output for this above code. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.